Good morning! A new day means a fresh start. I like to wake up slowly, let natural sunlight fill the room. It instantly makes the space feel brighter.
One of my favorite moments of the day is stepping onto the balcony and taking a deep breath of fresh air.
First thing I do is drink a glass of water. It's a simple habit that helps me feel refreshed. Then I make my bed. A tidy room makes me feel more organized.
Before starting the day, I spend some time cleaning. A clean space helps me stay productive and creates a peaceful atmosphere. Next, I sort and wash my clothes. It feels good knowing everything will be fresh and ready later.
After finishing my chores, it's time to get ready. A refreshing shower, comfortable clothes, and light makeup help me feel confident and prepared for the day. All right, I'm finally ready for the day. And honestly, I'm getting pretty hungry too. Oops, I guess my stomach agrees. Let's head to the kitchen and make something delicious.
Let's make breakfast. I'll make bread omelet toast and fruits.
I made breakfast. Wow, it looks so delicious, so crispy. Now for my favorite coffee. I'm full. Now it's time for some shopping. I enjoy exploring stores, finding useful items, and picking up ingredients for meals. And picking up fresh fruits, vegetables, snacks I need for home. Shopping complete, now it's time to check out. Now let's head home and organize everything. After organizing everything, I start preparing lunch. Cooking at home is relaxing and rewarding. Eating while watching my favorite TV show. It's a nice way to relax before getting back to work. With lunch finished, it's time to focus. I spend some time working on my laptop and getting important tasks done.
In the evening, I like to go for a walk. This feels amazing and relaxes mind, and sometimes I treat myself to a delicious ice cream.
Back home, I start preparing dinner. It's the perfect way to end a productive day.
Before bed, I take some time for skincare and hair care. It's my favorite way to unwind and relax. Check out my channel. I already uploaded many skincare and hair care videos and fashion video. Don't forget to watch them later. To finish the day, I read a few pages of a book, set my alarm for tomorrow, and get ready for sleep. Ending the day calmly helps me wake up refreshed and ready for another beautiful day.
Thank you for spending the day with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lifestyle videos.